This is Opel Astra J10 2014 diesel 1.6 liter motor. This car had problem with it had the boost problem and also the cold start timing chain noise. So because to do this job, then you have to drop down the engine. The timing chain is to the gearbox side. You have to separate the gearbox, and here is the AGR. You have to remove these things, and here is a bolt, this bolt, and here for the rocker cover. You cannot open the rocker cover if you don't open this bolt. And when you want to open this bolt, you have to remove the catalytic converter and particulate filter, and also the heat shields to have access to remove this bolt. So it's a very complicated engine, very complicated. Here is two piece I already cleaned, 1, 2, upper and lower timing cover and oil sump, all cleaned and ready to put back. Here is the timing mark for the fuel pump and also the gear. Here is another mark. These marks should be aligned, and these two teeth should come here, and this one here, another one here. So because I rotate the engine 2 times, this is why this colored teeth is displaced. So this is it. Here is the intake manifold. It's closed by carbon buildup. Very little, as you can see. So I have a walnut blaster machine here. The intake manifold is also closed, and there is no sufficient air go inside the combustion chamber, and this is why this car sometimes go to the lane mode. These parts are all for this car. Is this assembled? And now I change the timing chain, so I start assembling and put back everything together. Stay tuned for next video and how to start the test drive or check. The timing chain cover is installed. Torque 25 Newton meters, all bolts, and the oil sump also installed, and the bolts torque to 25 Newton meters. Now it's time to install the rocker cover, put back, and I need to start walnut blasting on intake manifold to clean the intake. So guys, here is the intake manifold. As you see, a lot of carbon buildup there. So I clean it with walnut blaster. This is the machine, and this is the with this machine I clean the intake manifold. You will see the result. But make sure when you blast on every cylinder, make sure to the intake manifold, the intake valve should be closed, because the walnut piece should not go inside the combustion chamber. So from here, from the injector holes, you can see which cylinder valve is closed, intake manifold valve is closed. Guys, after walnut blasting, I removed all carbons built up from intake manifold. Now you can clearly see the valves. It's very clean. And look at this. So guys, this is the progress. I installed the transmission, diesel particulate filter, injectors, harmonic balancer, and something left for tomorrow. It's very late. It's 9:15. Then I will do tomorrow the rest. I need to clean the AG intake manifold and put all things back together and install in the car, put back car in the road for next 5 years. Here you go guys, I cleaned the intake manifold and it looks like it's new. You see, I clean it properly and it's like new. And also so the AGR is already installed and I installed the intake manifold. So guys, the engine is assembled and all wiring harnesses are connected, injectors, rope racks, all wirings harnesses connected, and the engine is ready to install it in the car.